Hey, baby. Luzina. Huh. What's that? Oh, oh my God! It's a wall. Gina. Sleepy baby.
Do you have any matches or lighters?
And then she doesn't even sit there.
I have to call her to get her to look at you.
Whatever, don't worry, she's a cutie. She doesn't have to put on a show. I just love her big evil genius forehead. It's so cute.
I'm actually not in favor of decriminalizing cannabis. I'm in favor of legalizing it.
Imagine selling marijuana just like cigarettes and alcohol. Justin Trudeau, keeping way over his head.
The new 99.1 Fresh FM at Variety and every party of that.
April 4th to 6th at the RBC Convention Center, Winnipeg.
Finally, it's spring, and this weekend at the Brick, it's our famous spring mattress sell-off. This offer is certain perfect percent. It's 50% off.
For breakfast, lunch, and dinner? I would. And is it fair to say that part of your job is to keep me updated? That we need every night.
Aw, they used to not really like each other. You know, they're like, oh, hey, buddy, buddy.